So we do rounding all the time. We came across this a little bit in the project we just did. I'm sure some of you rounded some of your figures. You decided to give it to the nearest rupiah or maybe nearest cent or dollar. Yeah. I hope so. Or when you did, when you figured out when they could leave, you probably rounded it to the nearest day at least. Or maybe every nearest week or nearest month. Maybe you went, oh, they leave after 9 months or 8 months. You didn't do 8.337 months, and turned out they had to leave at exactly 37 minutes past 12 on the Tuesday. That's exactly when they would have finished. I'm sure you round. You round all the time when you say the time. You never, rarely do you give the exact time. Unless it is the exact time on the, or in the airport, yeah, perhaps, or a train. Yes, Bandy? Oh yeah, you did rounding there too. Yeah, exactly. So we do it all the time. You should probably be more used to it now. There's different levels of accuracy. Which of these is the most accurate rounding? Which is the most accurate? Which is the most precise? Akira, you should be looking this way. Flat? 3 decimals, yes. This is getting less and less accurate the more we go up towards, whole number is the least accurate. Okay, so what is this rounded to the nearest whole number? We have 2 choices. We have 9 or 10. Teddy, which is it?
10, because the 7 is higher than 5. Yeah. So then the whole number will go higher.
Okay.
And if it's less than 5, then 10.
So when you do this, there's a little process that we do. We take the number. We're going to write it all, but you take the number and you want to round it to this one, the nearest whole or nearest unit. You look at the number after that. And that only the number after that. And if the number after that is 5 or more, it means it adds 1 to what you're looking at. So this is 5 or more, so I add 1 to the 9 to get 10. And that's it. I just have 10. Okay, and I got to do the same process for all of these. So I'll do it again. You wouldn't have to write it out again. You could probably just do this in your head. For 1 decimal place, that means 1 place after the decimal. That's there. I need 1 decimal place, so I look at the number after it, which is also 5 or more, so that means I add 1. 9.8. The next one then, 2 decimal places, 9.78375. I need this one, so I look at the one after it.
But it's less than 5, so you don't.
So what, do I subtract?
No, you don't do anything.
No, I just keep it the very same. So if it's less than 5, so 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, I just keep it the same. The next one we can probably do in our head. What's it to 3 decimal places? 9.78. 3 or 4? Yes, because the